Here's a fun and engaging rhyme, a song for the jungle ABC parade. The jungle ABC parade. A is for alligator, snapping so wide. B is for baboon with the jungle pride. C is for chameleon, changing his hue. D is for deer, prancing right through. We're march, march, join the parade. Jungle friends in colors displayed. ABC, come sing with me. A wild adventure from A to Z. E is for elephant, stomping so loud. F is for flamingo, pink and so proud. G is for gorilla, beating his chest. H is for hippo, who loves to rest. So we're march, march, join the parade. Jungle friends in colors displayed. ABC, come sing with me. A wild adventure from A to Z. I is for iguana, climbing so high. J is for jaguar, leap in the sky. K is for koala, hugging a tree. L is for lion, roaring with glee. And M is for monkey, swinging around. N is for nightingale, making sweet sounds. O is for owl, awake in the night. P is for parrot, so bold and so bright. Yeah! March, march, join the parade. Jungle friends in colors displayed. ABC, come sing with me. A wild adventure from A to Z. Q is for quail, so quick on his feet. R is for rhinoceros, strong and so neat. S is for snake, who slithers along. T is for tiger, fierce and strong. U is for walkarine, monkey so rare. V is for vulture, flying mid-air. U for warthog, running so fast. X is for x-ray fish, spotted at last. Y is for yak, with the furry coat. Z is for zebra, in stripes so remote. U the jungle parade, hooray, hooray. We learned our letters the fun jungle way. Clap your hands and stomp your feet. Sing it again, oh what a treat.